Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload your music to every single streaming service at the same time. Now, in order to do this, you're going to have to pay for what's called a music distributor. They're going to take your music and put it out on all the streaming services for either purchase or streaming. So Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, YouTube Music, wherever you tell them to put your music out on. A music distributor will also collect revenue on your behalf. So if your song gets 1 million plays on Spotify or someone purchases your album on Apple Music, the distributor will collect those funds and then you can cash those funds out through them. Today, I'm going to be using Distrokid to upload my new song. So first, we're going to come here to upload and we're going to say upload music. Instantly, you'll see all these boxes and check off wherever you want it to get uploaded to. Okay, so it's going to Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music. Those are the ones I care about right now. Then select the number of songs you have. Today, I'm just releasing a single. Has this been previously released? No. Of course, they want you to upgrade. I'm not going to do that today, so I'm going to hit no thanks. And I'm going to upload this to my Swofly artist profile. Now, I already have my profile set up on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, but if you don't have a profile yet, it's okay. Just release the song anyway, and you'll be able to claim the profile after the release is out on the services. Now, we need to set a release date. So I actually always plan my releases about 2 weeks in advance. So let's say I want to release this on Friday, March 28th, 2025. Great, that's now selected. And I'm going to let it release at midnight, but you can set whatever time you would like. Time synchronization, I don't touch this. I want it to come out at the same time for everybody. And pre-order, you don't have to allow this pre-order, but why not? If someone is interested in buying it before it's out, go ahead. I'm going to let them do that. Now, the record label, it doesn't matter what name you give it. I just use my name because that's what I want to do. Language, this song doesn't have any lyrics, so I'm just going to leave it in English. Primary genre, every time I upload my music, I feel like I don't actually have a genre they list that matches it, so I just try and get as close as possible. And you can select a subgenre if you want. Now, the album artwork, you're going to make sure that this is at least 3000 by 3000 square JPEG format, just like they recommend. So I'm going to come here, new song, final artwork, populate that, boom, artwork is in. Okay, now we can type in the track title, new song. Featured artist, nope, no featured artist this time. No, this is the normal version, and they're even going to show you what it's going to look like, of course, on Spotify, because they know that's where you actually care. Okay, now it's time to upload the audio file. So you want to hit select an audio file, new song, mastered. Make sure you choose the right file. Please don't have multiple files that says like final 01, final 02. Just have one file. Dolby Atmos Spatial. You don't have a Dolby Atmos mix, so say no to this. I wrote the song or another artist wrote it. I personally wrote this release. If you collaborated with someone or someone else wrote it, make sure to give them the proper credit. Songwriter. Okay, so I'm going to say music and lyrics. There aren't actually lyrics on this song, but I'm just going to go ahead and put in my name. You can even add another songwriter if you want. There's no explicit lyrics. No, it's not a radio edit. Okay, this song is instrumental and contains no lyrics. I do want to select that. Preview clip start time. This is really cool. So you can choose when you want the song to start. So if someone is like previewing your music on iTunes, then you can choose exactly when you want that start point to happen. Track price. I don't know why you would make it anything other than 99 cents. I feel like that's totally fair, so I just always leave that. Okay, so Apple Music is now requiring that you add credits, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now I did everything for this song, so I'm just going to kind of populate that with my own name. Then they're going to try and hit you with some extras. Honestly, I don't ever use that. And then there's a couple of checkboxes down here. So these are mandatory things. It's kind of just a part of their services. If you selected YouTube Music up top, Distrokid is actually going to upload your music as a YouTube video to an artist page that they'll generate for you. I've always done this for my releases because it can't hurt to have your music out with more exposure. Obviously, they don't want you boosting streams with fake stuff. Don't do it anyway. Spotify will take your music off. And of course, you want to verify that all of this music was generated and made by you. Hopefully not AI. So pretty much, here we go. They're going to give us a preview of what our song looks like. Everything looks good, so I'm going to hit continue. It's going to go ahead and upload the album artwork, and it's going to upload the track. Okay, one final step over the hump here. They're also going to try and upsell you on this. I'm just going to hit use my originals because I love the way my track sounds. Don't use their AI mastering. If you have lyrics, you can also add that here through Distrokid, which is amazing. That's it. You're done. Music is going to be uploaded. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If you want to save 7% on your Distrokid subscription, you can actually use the link I'm going to provide down below. Get out there, release your music, and until next time, peace.